What's up guys, I'm here at the Kansas City Automotive Museum. They're one of my Stephen Cook Media clients and they're doing some drone races today with micro drones with MindDrive. They're an organization that we do some stuff with, and so it's super cool. I'll show you guys a little bit more of that, but later on today I have something to show you, something I bought. It's a car, just kind of like a beater car, a backup car that I bought, but it's it's actually pretty nice, so I'll show that to you guys in a bit, but in the meantime I'll kind of show you guys around the museum. Well, so a couple of weeks ago I bought another car. You know, as you guys know, I've been daily driving my Ford Focus RS for the past 3 months or so. Back at the beginning of the year, I sold my Audi Allroad, and you know, it's been a blast daily driving the RS. You know, it's so capable, both functional and fun, obviously. But you know, there's certain days, certain times. You know, if you're going to go downtown or street park or something like that, you know, I'd really rather just have kind of like a beater car, you know, something that you don't really care that much about and doesn't draw that much of attention, that kind of thing. So I've been on Craigslist for the past month or so, just kind of seeing what was out there, seeing what cheap things were out there. So it's pretty funny how this all worked out. You know, the car I'm about to show you, I got it for $400, and you know, it's not a homie hookup. That's not somebody I knew. It was just literally a random person off of Craigslist, and to be honest, it's pretty solid. You know, it needed a little bit of work, but it's you know, it's been pretty good. So here it is, guys. It's my 2005 Mercury Sable LS. Check that out. You know, it's pretty incredible. You know, it's honestly really clean and it's pretty solid too. You know, when I went to go look at it, it had a misfire and the transmission was trying to slip a little bit. But you know, check the transmission fluid, it was low, it wasn't discolored or anything, so that was a good sign. You know, the previous owners, they didn't even, I don't think, realize that it had a transmission dipstick, so you know, topped that off on the way home. It was already driving better. And you know, I just recently did the spark plugs, valve cover gaskets, some other gaskets, cleaned some stuff, and you know, it's running really well, it's running strong, it's shifting better, it's pretty amazing. So you know, it still needs a couple little things here and there, but you know, it's totally drivable. And in fact, you know, like I said, I drove it home after I bought it. You know, I didn't need a trailer or anything like that. So you know, 400 bucks, you can't really go wrong. The interior is pretty nice too. Got the leather, and I mean, to be honest, it's pretty clean. So when I was looking for a cheap beater car, you know, I didn't really have any, you know, specific thing that I really wanted to buy. You know, I was looking at everything from an AMC Eagle wagon to, you know, Hondas and Toyotas and stuff like that. But my very first car back in high school was a 1998 Ford Taurus, and so it's kind of funny to get this because you know, it's the Mercury version of the Taurus, and obviously this is a little bit newer. It's a 2005 instead of a 98, so it's a little more, you know, the body style is just slightly different, but it's still the same overall shape. But I was joking with my friends that, you know, I went from the dad wagon with the Audi Allroad to, you know, just the total grandpa car. But hey, you know, it's the total opposite of the RS. It's, you know, it's smooth, it's kind of soft and floaty, it's you know, big, spacious, comfortable seats. You don't have the, you know, aggressive Recaros holding you in. It's nice that, you know, like I said, it's the total opposite of the RS. So if you just want to, you know, cruise, you know, it's an automatic. So, you know, if you're in traffic, rush hour, stuff like that, you know, it's the perfect car. And like I said, it was only 400 bucks. So, you know, and I've only probably put about 150 bucks into it so far. You know, parts, fluids, stuff like that. So honestly, you don't have much to lose. You know, something goes wrong or I don't want it anymore, I can post it up and sell it, you know, I'm sure at no problem. But, you know, I definitely want to see how many miles I can get out of this car. When I bought it, it had 202,000 miles, and you know, I put about 100, 150 miles on it since buying it, and So, you know, I'm just curious to see, you know, how long it'll go for. You know, I bought it from, it's pretty much a one-owner car. It was a father-son, a lot of highway miles, and, you know, as you can tell, there's not really any rust. It's pretty clean. So anyway, I figured I'd kind of take a minute and show you guys the Sable. You're still going to be seeing a lot of the RS. You know, I'm still going to be dailying that, but like I said, it's just really nice. You know, it's a really nice option to have a backup car, a beater car, you know, if, you know, for the times that you don't want to drive your nicer car. So, but you know, I figured I'd show that to you guys and just kind of give you guys an update on my cars. And speaking of the RS, I actually just had the head gasket recall done. You know, they put the new one on, the new and improved head gasket, and I got that back, and everything seems to be good. You know, I've put about 40 miles on it since picking it up from the dealership, so we'll see. So I'm happy I got that done, and you know, I'm happy that F.O.O.L took care of the problem and, you know, is working to make the cars better. And you'll be seeing more about the Supra that my friends and I bought. You know, we're really close to getting it driving. You know, just all of us have been so busy with life and just different things that we haven't really had a ton of time to work on it, but you know, there's more coming soon, I promise, so stay tuned for that. But, you know, anyway guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.